What's up guys, Zilla Trades here with a brand new video for you. Will the US and China finally make up and become friends again? And will the tariffs go away or will they keep on going? These are the most important questions that you must ask if you want to know what's going to happen with the gold price. So let's dive right in this matter. As you can see, the US and China are set for trade talks in London on Monday. So we could expect a very volatile market this week, guys. So this week, the next week, guys, will be very uncertain. So the article starts with the three of US President Donald Trump top aides will meet with their Chinese counterparts in London on Monday for talks aimed at resolving a trade dispute between the world's two largest economies that has kept global markets on edge. So they are meeting, guys. They are finally meeting, and this is very, very big because until now, China and the US have never have never met to discuss the tariffs, right? So this is a real good advance on resolving this trading dispute. As we can see, Trump wrote on his Truth Social that the meeting should go very well. And as you know, guys, Trump is always very, very positive. He always speaks very, very positive about the meetings, about Xi Jinping. But as we know, guys, he always says something. He says A and he acts totally different. So will we again get a trade on, trade off scenarios like we had past week? I don't know, guys. I don't know. It's a really tricky market right now. Let's dive into the market. So as you can see, guys, this is the dollar index. We have seen this is on the weekly candles. We have seen a big drop in the dollar strength since around January. We've been down around 10%, guys. So the dollar lost 10% of its currency strength. But something really strange, if you look at it on a different perspective, we did break down below this weekly support. We have retested also the weekly support strongly because we saw a decrease of 2% right here on the strength of the dollar, right? So this meant a clear signal that the dollar is going down. So on a technical perspective, we can see dollar going down. And also, guys, interest rates are going to zero. So we are going to see a way weaker dollar very soon. And let's take a look at stocks. And again, guys, we see a kind of reversal in stocks since the tariffs. So this is really strange because the tariffs came and everybody thought this would have a very negative effect on gold prices. But it did not have a very negative effect. Negative effect on stock prices. We have rather saw since the implementation of the tariffs on 2 April, we saw a huge uptrend on a weekly chart. We saw an uptrend of 20% since the tariffs on Liberation Day that Trump had imposed. So what does this mean, guys? This means that the market is currently very uncertain about if the tariffs are going to hold or are the tariffs going to go away, because Trump doesn't stick to his word as much as he wants to. So what does this mean eventually for gold prices? Well, I predicted the huge uptrend for gold since the 2000 levels. As you can see, we did make a lot of profits since 2024, around 62% gold did go up, and this is a strange correlation that we can see between the stock market and the gold prices, because since the rise in prices of the stocks, we saw that gold has been consolidating, right, for a couple of weeks, for about 6 weeks now. For 6 weeks now, gold has been consolidating. Will this become 7, 8, 9 weeks, guys? We don't know. We need to wait for further information from this China dispute that we are in right now. So my advice, guys, is to wait it out, and see what is going to happen with this Trump and Xi Jinping relation, right? Also, right now, the policy progress is also in focus, and they mean, with the policy progress, they mean the inflation rates. Is inflation still going down, or is it going to go up again? So these are all questions that we all must have answers to before we know exactly what's going to happen. But of course, guys, I am still very, very, very bullish on gold. I don't know if it's gonna take 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks. I think eventually, guys, we are going to see gold reaching up to the 4,000 levels. And why am I saying that, guys? I'm saying that because there's an historical inverse relationship with interest rates. If interest rates are going to go down, we could see gold prices go up. This has happened every single time since the Bretton Woods conference, where they decoupled gold standard from the dollar. So since then, guys, gold has been going up massively. So on the bigger trend, guys, is this noise? Is this not noise? We don't know exactly, but we do know that gold prices are going to go up. So if you have any spare change left, you can still buy some physical gold and make some huge profits this coming year or couple of years. So this is it, guys. I hope you learned a lot. Let me know in the comments what you think. Leave a thumbs up if you like this video, and I will see you guys on the next one. Ciao.